Good evening to the evaluators of this project. Actually, I have done a Streamlit application according to this problem statement given by the department. And these are the components and the file structure I have made. And in the files you can see here the home page and the live matches update and player stats. And in the SQL analytics, if you want to see the main thing here, it is the complete structure I have developed here. The live matches, player stats, and CRUD operations. You can update every player here. And in the home screen, you can see the number of players, which I have updated there in the CRUD operations. And in this, I didn't use any API keys because it is from Cricbuzz. So I took dummy values to represent here. I in this test API.py, I have given just uh, just a connection, but I didn't connect it with any APIs. And the application is working well. If you write any queries here, you can see the like that is you can see the analytics by giving the queries here, like us, yeah. Like this. So created every page. And this is my project as given in the problem statement. I have implemented everything. So thank you.